everyone, welcome back. In this new video, it's about the replication of data. Replication of data, sometimes we confuse replication and backup. Okay, so this new video is about how you can replicate your data between two databases. Okay, and we will use the replication in Microsoft, okay, in SQL Server. So before to start, the replication here, I will use SQL Server always on mirroring. Okay, this is the kind of the replication because you remember in my last video I show you one kind of how to replicate data. It was replication with snapshot. Okay, we use snapshot to use that. And in this new video, I will use the replication asynchronous. Okay, so for that, I will use free databases. Okay, SQL databases in free server. Okay. So I put what I need. One domain server, one primary server, and two secondary server to replicate. Okay, the primary is the source, and the secondary server will be the targets. Okay, so and we need the controller domain only to, because all servers hosted in this domain. So the domain is this, the same, okay, and I create one account, Paraclet BK SQL admin, okay. So and the instance, the tools will be SQL Server Management Studio, and I will use a small scripts, okay, to explain how you use that. And we must use the SQL Server Configuration Manager to configure it always on to be enabled. Okay, and here, okay, I try to explain how to do. You create one and you can clone the server. Okay, in this demo I put 6 steps to configure the domain, enable always on in all servers, primary and secondary. Okay, we create a group. We configure replication in the two server, and we join the replicate. Okay, here, and we test the validation. So I correct here. We create the mirroring endpoint and available groups. Okay. In this demo, I want only to show the simple way how to create the always on in the database SQL Server, the simple way. Okay, so before to start, only to check the domain. In the domain, you must only to check your server. It's here. Okay, I I created many videos how to install SQL Server, but in this video I want only to show you the different server in this domain. I will use this here, this controller domain. In the controller domain, I create one user. The user is SQL admin SQL. It's this. Okay, this account domain means we'll use all databases, all configuration. Okay, and this is the first databases. The first server, it's the primary. Okay, here it's the secondary and one, and the secondary also I connect, sorry, the secondary 2 for, okay, in my demo about the always on, I need this configuration. But before to start in the primary, I go to open in the configuration here. Okay, inside this configuration I have this account. I put this account to start okay, to start agents and my databases. Okay, here only to check to see always on it's enable. You must to come to put this enable. Okay, here. Okay, no. Okay, we must active this case console, and agent you can start it. Okay, and these two. To activate this, you must only to check the services. Here you come here, manage services. Services, SQL, okay, browsers, automatic, okay, server browsers, you put that manual, play, start, okay, we close this, we come back here. We can put this start will be okay. Okay, good. When I finish in the configuration of SQL Server configuration, I close this. I come back in my, okay, here. Here in my case, I have no databases. Okay, no databases because I just create this instance. I come here, took restore databases. Okay, general device. Okay, device, add, my file is here in the temp. Okay, I want to take this, the temp. I can put this copy. Backup from, we can respect this. nothing inside. Okay, I will take one in temp. Here I take this. I can take two. I can take all. Control C. Control V. Good. I come back here. Okay. I come here. Backup. F5. X5 to console. I come back here. Add. Okay. So I take this, the last this. Okay. Okay. We'll take the same. Break file. No, we don't relocate. Option, okay. Overwrite database, okay, okay, okay. And this. No prompt. Database is restored. I take one. We can take two because we want to create two. We can take the 2019. Okay. So we come here to restore another. To restore. Okay. We take device. Put this to add. Okay, I take this two databases. Okay, okay, file. Okay, no relocate. We keep the same. Override. Okay, if existing. Okay, boom. So I put two databases. 2022 and 19. Okay, and this we will put the backup full. Okay, here we put. Okay, the task is to backup full here. Media. No append, overwrite. Okay, all existing backup. We finish here. We can put verify backup when finished. Okay, we put. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, this is okay. When you remove only the all. Okay, take a second. And this backup, because when you backup, that means you must backup it in your. Okay, you must put overwrite. This okay to check backup is okay. Okay. What happened? It say backup will because the original, no problem. Okay. Okay, when you put the backup, you have this error. Don't worry for that, okay? Because this is the old file, and you come here. Okay, you remove the old. You know, it's your new backup because you need it in always. You must to have your backup full. You say okay, and we remove all. You put against, okay, and your backup it's okay. Okay, don't worry for that. And you must to check the recovery model. You put this full. Okay, it's okay, and you take this the second. You put this. Properties the same. the same in the option, you check this full. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, we finish this step. One, the backup full. Second, to check the option of the recovery in full. It's okay. Now we come back in the documents. Okay. In the document I show you, we have this and the different steps. So we put we configure the primary and the secondary. Okay, this I think is okay. Now we continue. We create we enable. We finish this. We finish the step 2. Now we create the endpoint and availability group. Okay. Here, before to start, we must to create the Windows account. Okay. Here, we create this account in the primary, in the secondary, and in the secondary. Okay, this account is very simple. It's this. This is the Windows. The name of the server is Win 2022 SQL. So we must create an account with the same name, and we add only the dollar. For example, in this script, I create this login user, okay, from Windows and the default. Okay, we create this. When you create it, we give the grant to this account. Okay, this account, it's my primary. Okay, and we take this, for example, I take this, okay, for the primary. See, we come here, because when we check in database security login, we have this. We have this one. I create the SQL server and the database. I declare this and this like user we can manage the databases. Okay, so this user, this is the domain user. Okay, and in this domain user, okay, the name of the server is this SQL 22.2. So for this reason, I must create. I copy my script here. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I use the host, and okay, I must open here to open okay, network, my link, nothing. What happened? Something wrong. Okay, I come here, I come in my VirtualBox, I take SQL1 setting, okay, share folder, nothing here. What happened? Okay, we create one link. Okay. Okay. We finish with that. We must do the same. And I come here to refresh. Okay, and this file I use in my okay, always successful. Okay, it's this. today, same date. This I open with, okay, so I will take this. I will copy this or to take this, create, okay, the windows, sorry, create the windows. This for the first machine, first server, okay? I take this, I put here, Control V. This means I create for WinSQL primary, I put only $ here, okay? And before to create this, use master, go. We must do the same in another. We must do the same in the primary and the secondary. Okay. So we use master, go, execute. Okay. We create this account. Paraclete dot. We create a login. Okay. Here nothing. We create a login. Execute. Okay. And we give the grants to this login. We take all. Okay. Execute. Finish. We will do the same in the secondary and the secondary 1 and the secondary 2. Okay. In the secondary 2, the same. We try to copy only. We use this run. I take this SQL temp. Okay, I copy in the remote this file, the date tomorrow, by date this. I copy, I put it in the temp. Okay. I will put it here. Past here. Super. I do the same in the secondary to put run. Here I take SQL because I share with directories. This directory, go. I copy always. Okay, by date. Okay, this I copy. This I put it in the temp. I copy here, past. Okay, so now I will come back. Okay, I can open this with Notepad++. The same with that, I copy with Notepad++. Okay, and I open here. We check in the configuration before to start. We check the services here. We check before it was always enabled. Okay, we saw that. Okay, I close here. I come here. In the primary one, secondary one, I open the query, new query here. In this new query, I want to create the user, the login database, security login. Here you see, because I create with my segment my two user. Now I want to create a login dollar with my server Win22 SQL1. Okay, this here I take my file. We try to find the user for this is for the SQL and SQL1 is here. Only to copy. Okay, we forgot to put use master. We got to take use master. Okay. Go. Okay, and I take this. Oh, sorry. I take our script. Before to start, you prepare your scripts. Will be very easy. If someone needs this script, I can send it. You ask me, I give you the script, okay? And you change your name with your system. Here, Control V, okay? We create use master, okay? We create the user SQL1 dollar, okay? We go, execute, and we create this login, execute, okay? And we give the grants to this, the same like in primary, okay? We execute one. Okay, we finish in this. We go to the second. We will do the same. We check the second. The second is okay. And I take the second script to create the login dollar. Okay, I take this. We'll add Control C, we come here. We come here. New query. Use master. Control V. The same. I use the query in the instance here, not in databases. Okay. So use master, execute, create the two. It's okay. We take the second to give the grants, execute. Okay. So we finish in the first, in the secondary 2, in the secondary 1, in the primary. And here it's the same. I come in the configuration, SQL configuration manager. We see my account is SQL admin and my the browser here is stop, must to start it. Don't worry for that. Agent must to start. Agent the same. I put in paraclet BK. Okay, we start the agent, and by default this is disabled. We go to the services, tools, services. We try to, okay, it's browser is disabled. Okay, we put that manual, play, start. It's okay. It's okay, and I close. I will put this pin in my task table. Okay, I can close. We come here E5 to refresh. Refresh. Is running, but it's running, and it told me, okay, sync. Okay, no problem. Come here. Refresh. Running. Okay, and now I close. I create, and we can check here. We come here, refresh, login, security, login. We see we have, okay, account here. Okay. Okay, we finished to create this account before to create the mirroring on the point and availability group. We need to create account and the name of the server plus dollar. Now step 3 is to create the endpoints. Okay, so in this step we will create we can drop and create. Okay, so the mirroring on the point is a special purpose endpoint designed to receive connection from another server instances. Okay, so don't forget we use master, and the port we use this default port. Okay, for databases mirroring role it's all. When we create the endpoint here, a name, you can change the name if you want. We give a grant to connection to the user SQL1, SQL1, SQL2 dollar we create in the instance. And we must to add in the domain account paragraph SQL admin to give a connection its endpoint. Simple. Okay, we go. I forgot to say, to create the endpoint, it's only in the primary server. Only primary server. Okay, only one. Go. Okay, before to start, I want to check my environment. We stay in the master, execute, master it's okay. I try to see the certification, okay, and here I can take this to put to see, sorry to put, yes, it is like this, okay, and I come here, I check my DB name, my error, the server name, and the service, okay, we execute, only to check, master, it's okay, good. And the instance is Win22 SQL. And in the service, in the MS SQL server, okay? And now I can go to check if I have one endpoint in the database we exist in the same name. I execute, here we see we have not the endpoint you want to create. The endpoint you want to create is name, it's this. If exists, you put drop and you create, okay? And this I can remove this because it's my command to explain you what that means, okay? Okay, we keep the same use master. Use master is only to to remember, when you create it, it's in the master database because the master is the main. So here you can drop if one exists. If you want to recreate, you drop your endpoint. Okay. You use master. It's the master because we check it's the master. Don't worry for that. When you put this, it's the master. Okay, master. Okay, and we can put this. And now we create the endpoint before to start. Remember the document say before to put, we create the endpoint. Okay, here, and the port 5022. Okay, so we remove this, and here I create, execute, you finish. I can check. I put here in command. If I want to recreate, I can drop and to recreate. Okay, so this, we come here, we put select on the point. We saw on the point it's here, TCP state started. Okay, TCP started. Okay, and we create the endpoint. We give the grants to this, the grant to win SQL $, and SQL $1, and SQL $2, and SQL admin. Okay, don't forget that. Oh, sorry, something wrong. What happened? Normal, don't worry, you can correct. I want to create this account in the principal. I want to create account 1 and 2 in the principal to avoid this error. Okay, give me 1 second. This error come because it didn't execute. We take the second 1 and 1. I will add to put this here. Control V. Perfect. I take this for the first. Create the 2 in the main. Okay, I create the 2 and give a grant. Create. I take the second SQL 1 to create the same. Execute. Okay, I come here to refresh. Security databases. Okay, security login. Hive, SQL $, SQL 1, SQL 2. Okay, now I can put again we create this, we give a grant here. It's creating. Okay, go execute, correct, and grant to my SQL admin and public. We execute. Perfect. Okay, now we finish to create the step 2 because endpoint and the group must be created in the same. Now we finish this step. We come back from the document here. Okay, the document here we create, we give this connection, and now we take the step 2. Okay, we step 2 to create the availability group. When we create this group, when we finish, we must to join the SQL 1 and 2 in the primary, to join the secondary in the primary, okay? Because in my case, I use 2 secondary, okay? You can use only 1, but 2, we want to show you it's possible to put more. You can put 2, 3, 4 if you want, okay? Don't forget, we stay in the primary. We stay in the primary, okay? And we come here. I create this login in the primary. I must create the same in the secondary, okay? Okay, here we want to create a availability group, because endpoint availability group, we use a master, okay? We check the endpoint, okay? The endpoint is started, okay? And here we create this group with this one, the secondary 1, the secondary 2, and we take the port TCP of endpoint, it's 5022, okay, 5022, and we take this, the same secondary group, we take this failover manual, okay, and when we put the primary here, the same, okay, and we can put this, okay, to create okay, execute, okay, we create a availability group, and only to give one grant, okay, to create any database. Execute. We finish. When we finish this, okay, we come here. We put this. We put server, endpoint, system, okay, database mirroring, okay. Oh, sorry, we try to refresh before to see the result. Put this, okay, I open again, databases, security, okay, and server objects, okay, here we have endpoint, okay, okay, database mirroring, we have this, and this, okay, we take this, okay, we open, we see this on the HAD endpoint, we open this, the group is the primary, it's here, and we have 2 secondary. Replicate, it's here, okay, it's normal because we must to join, okay, and no database is here, availability, no list here. We can add database here, okay. We must, oh sorry, we must add database here. Okay, now we finish this step with the script. The next step, we will use SQL Server Management Studio, for example, here, for the first secondary, here, we put this to join availability group, okay, we put next, okay, And before to do that, okay, connect. Okay, we have created the endpoint. Now we create the group, and the last step is to join. Okay, to join. I say to join this the secondary here. Join. Okay,